What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we're taking a deep dive into Polymaker's PETG in dark blue. Those of y'all who new to the channel love Polymaker. Comes in this nice mylar bag. If you don't have a good storage system yet, this is great in a pinch. It's resealable, has nice tabs, keeps out moisture, and also UV light, both of which can degrade your filament over time. Anyway, this is the dark blue version, and we can just get that open and take a look at that dark blue color, which I particularly love. Anyway, comes in cardboard spool, which I'm also a fan of because it's recyclable, that kind of thing. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament, so I'm going to put this in the filament dryer for at least 6 hours, and I'll see you soon. Alright, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always end up doing a generic benchy in the generic settings for the filament, in this case PETG in Bamboo Studio. Should take a little over an hour, so we're going to get that done along with all the other test prints. This way it gives us a good kind of baseline standard, so we'll take a look at all of them. Alright, so we got all those printed out, and everything looks pretty good. Again, I love this dark blue color. Anyway, we got the benchy printed out, and I'm going to be able to show it to you here. Yep, there it is. Anyway, this benchy, no real major issues with the generic PETG settings. Just some minor stuff with some of the overhangs, which is not uncommon when you're talking with PETG. Yeah, so everything looks good. Next up, we printed the dimensional cube. This one's 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in vase mode. No real issues beyond minor stuff. Next up, we have the temperature tower. The temp tower at 240, everything looks great. No real stringing or globbing or anything like that at that temp. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and go through that. Next up, we have the retraction test. Again, no stringing, nothing like that. Again, Polymaker makes a very good product. No real issues with any of that. So next up, we had the max volumetric speed test, and basically, this one looks out 28 millimeters cubed per second. No issues there, no change in warping or anything like that. Overhang test came out very well, no major issues. Although, again, anything over 70 degrees, I would recommend having supports enabled, especially if you're looking for some of the finer details. Anyway, we got the settings dialed in, and we reprinted the benchy, which looks perfect. No real any issues, no stringing, nothing like that. Again, I've always been impressed with Polymaker. So, anyway, at the time of filming, you could get this for under $20 over at Amazon. I have a link in the description down below in case anybody needs it, but again, I'm not like affiliate or anything like that. This is just something I'm giving back to the 3D printing community as we move forward, because this becomes super important in the long-term viability of the hobby. Anyway, my overall thoughts for the filament itself. I really enjoy this. If you're looking for a good dark blue color, I recommend this one, especially if you're starting out. Anyway, this has been Polymaker's PETG in dark blue. If you like this type of content, feel free to give me a like, comment, subscribe, all the nice YouTube things. It helps the channel. I'm not sponsored right now. I'm just, like I said, trying to get back to the community. Anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you at the next review. Thanks.